Hi, this is Lucas and welcome to the unboxing video for the Yoga Trapeze Pro by YOGABODY. To begin, take your rig out of the box and make sure to save the Start Here envelope at the bottom. Inside, you'll find online access to practice tutorials, pose charts, setup tutorials, and more. So make sure to follow the instructions to access all your bonuses right away. Next, take the rig out of the bag and let's see what we have. 2 daisy chain straps, 2 carabiners, 2 handle sets, and 1 main sling. The Yoga Trapeze Pro is the lightest, strongest, and simplest rig ever created. Let me show you how to set it up. Start with your daisy chain straps and hang your daisy chain straps over an exposed beam, through ceiling hooks, over a tree branch, a pull-up bar, or using an official Yoga Trapeze stand. The straps should be about 60 centimeters apart. Use the daisy chain straps doubled up, or you can loop the strap through itself and allow the long end to hang down. Either option is just fine. Next, clip your carabiners into the loops. Your main sling clicks in first, the handles go second. The main sling should be on the inside, the handle set's on the outside. To gauge the correct height, stand behind your rig. The main sling should hang somewhere around your belt or your navel line. If it's too low, your head will touch the floor when you go upside down. If it's too high, it can make it difficult to get in and out of the trapeze. Before we begin, let's do a 3-point safety check. Number 1, check the ceiling mounts. Number 2, check your carabiners. And number 3, check the rig itself to make sure that nothing is tangled up. From here, you're ready to practice. Thanks so much for your interest in the Yoga Trapeze, for mounting equipment, for at-home trainings, for in-person courses and community. Please visit us online at yogabody.com.